Hello and welcome back to my channel. Now let me share with you how I made this juicy and delicious chicken wings that everyone in my family loves it so much. Now, I began by washing my chicken wings and then patting it dry. You want to take out every liquid that is in this, okay? Take it out, dry it properly, then score this so that when you're seasoning, your seasonings should go inside. You don't want a tasteless chicken from inside. Okay, once I'm done, I will then begin to season it with some basil, ginger powder, some curry powder, chicken seasonings, some turmeric powder, and then I will go in with salt as well. Then I'm going to add in oyster sauce and then some soy sauce. Then I will add in some hot chili sauce. I'm going to mix that with my hand until everything properly mixed. You can use your glove, it's absolutely fine. I didn't have glove, that's why. Then once I'm done, I will layer my baking tray and then begin to put the chicken wings there. Make sure you give space between them so that they are not sticking together. We don't want that. We want them to come out the way they went in, but just cooked. Okay, so once I'm done layering everything, I will then go ahead and put this in the oven for it to bake for about 40 minutes, okay, 150 degrees. Then while that is baking, I will bring my bowl and then add in some of the seasonings that I added before. Then I'll go in with honey. Then I'm going to add in some butter. Okay, so this is lard. I didn't have butter, so I have to use lard. And then I microwave it for some seconds and then set that aside. And at this point, the chicken is ready. I brought it out and poured it over the chicken again and stir very well for everything to mix together. I added some dill, that green stuff you're seeing. I layered it back into the baking tray just this way. Then I put it again in the oven to bake for another 10 minutes. Now you want to reduce the heat so that it will not burn further. Then here we go, everything is all ready. Look at how juicy this is looking. Garnish it with dill again, and look at this, guys. It looks so yumptious and it tasted so delicious. My husband was asking me like, how did you make this, because this tastes different, it's so soft and yummy. And I was like, yes. I had to make another one for him again, I think few days back. And let me open it. We don't just make things like that, we open it for people to see. So I take a bite from this and then just look at how inside look. Do you see that? The ingredients went inside. How juicy this is looking. And that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, remember that Jesus loves you so much. Bye.